Question 1. The fresco paintings of Ajanta caves illustrate the art of the A. Guptas, B. Mauryas, C. Kushanas, D. Rashtrakutas. Answer. A. Guptas. Question 2. Which is the oldest Indian linguistic text? A. Nirukta, B. Mahabhashya, C. Ashtadhyayi, D. Kasikavritti. Answer. C. Ashtadhyayi. Question 3. The Srimad Bhagavata Gita contains chapters in Sanskrit slokas or couplets. A. 14,500, B. 16,600, C. 18,700, D. 20,800. Answer. C. 18,700. Question 4. The Ramayana narrates events believed to have taken place in the Yuga or age. A. Sat, B. Dwapar, C. Kal, D. Treta. Answer. D. Treta. Question 5. Who among the following anticipated Newton by affirming that all things tended to gravitate to the earth? A. Aryabhatta, B. Brahmagupta, C. Varamihira, D. Buddhagupta. Answer. B. Brahmagupta. Question 6. To whom did the term Macedonia's magnum refer? A. Alexander, B. Xerxes, C. Darius, D. Philip II. Answer. A. Alexander. Question 7. The bronze coins of Nataraja or dancing Shiva during the Chola period invariably depicted the deity with arms. A. 8, B. 6, C. 4, D. 2. Answer. B. 6. Question 8. The two colossal images of the Buddha at Bamiyan are an instance of the art. A. Early Mathura, B. Maurya, C. Gupta, D. Gandhara. Answer. C. Gupta. Question 9. Identify the temple, from among the following, that was built by the Rashtrakutas. A. The Kailash Temple, Mahabalipuram. B. The Surya Temple, Konark. C. The Channakeshava Temple, Batur. D. The Shiva Temple, Ellora. Answer. D. The Shiva Temple, Ellora. Question 10. The earliest surviving extant, i.e. still standing, temples date from the period. A. Gupta, B. Sunga, C. Vedic, D. Maurya. Answer. A. Gupta. Question 11. Which of the following sets of books and authors has been incorrectly matched? A. Kadambari, Banabhatta, B. Arthasastra, Kalhana, C. Uttar Ramcharita, Bhavabhuti, D. Mudra Rakshasa Vishakhadatta. Answer. B. Arthasastra, Kalhana. Question 12. An elaborate system of municipal administration had been established by A. Skandagupta, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Kanishka, D. Harshavardhana. Answer. B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 13. During the period of Huyen Tsang's visit, the city most famous for the production of cotton cloth was A. Benaras, B. Patalipchara, C. Mathura, D. Ujjain. Answer. C. Mathura. Question 14. Foreigners were absorbed in a large number in the Indian society during the period. A. Rajput, B. Gupta, C. Mauryan, D. Kushan. Answer. C. Mauryan. Question 15. Of the following books in their respective fields, which of the combinations is incorrect? A. Charaka Sanhita Architecture, B. Malavikagnamitra Drama, C. Surya Siddhanta Astronomy, D. Mitikshara Law. Answer. A. Charaka Sanhita Architecture. Question 16. The chief impact of Vedic culture on Indian history has been A. The growth of Sanskrit, B. The rise of an otherworldly outlook, C. The progress of philosophy, D. The consolidation of the caste system. Answer. D. The consolidation of the caste system. Question 17. The original Buddhist religious texts had been written in A. Brahmi, B. Sanskrit, C. Pali. D. Gujarati. Answer C. Pali. Question 18. The greatest Buddhist commentator of the Buddhist canonical literature has been A. Nagarjuna. B. Ashwaghosha. C. Vasumitra. D. Buddhaghosha. Answer B. Ashwaghosha. Question 19. The Buddha has been eulogized as an ocean of wisdom and compassion in A. Buddha Charita. B. Jatak Tales. C. Amarakosa. D. The Light of Ice. Answer C. Amarakosa. Question 20. Who among the following is referred to as the Sadhu from the West? A. Thomas of Canaan. B. Saint Thomas. C. Saint Bartholomew. D. None of the above. Answer B. Saint Thomas.